What's going on, guys? I don't know if that's a good view, but alright, so here's what's going on today. Right behind me, I got my E46, and at the moment I am somewhere between 2 and 3 weeks away from driving across country, and I'm trying to get this car ready to go. So right now, what I have to do today is the cooling system. So I ordered a kit off FCP Euro, and I'm gonna basically be replacing all the main hoses. What else? So the hoses, water pump, thermostat, expansion tank, the expansion tank bracket, radiator. What else? And then there's like screws and some, I have a cabin air filter I gotta put in. What else are we doing? Yeah, I think that's like it really. Then I have like they came with dry belts, but I already replaced the dry belts, so I'm just gonna save those as backups for when we go on the trip, so I have them. Oh, it also came with a new water pump pulley, so that's cool. I've never done a water pump in this car, so I've never done a water pump at all, so this is all gonna be a learning experience for me. My brother actually had the dip out. He had to go save his dad, who got stranded because the caliper, like sliding bolts, slid out the other day. They did some work. I don't know whose mistake it was, but the bolt slid out. He's in Boston right now, so he's gonna go save him and I'll be back here. But I'm gonna do my best to film this for you guys and do my best not to fuck anything up, because I gotta drain the coolant. I got all new coolant, the right stuff. I don't think the right stuff is in there, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm not gonna tell you guys to subscribe, but you know, if you guys enjoy the video and you're looking for more content, please do. Have a good one. Right now I'm just trying to get a little hose off underneath the expansion tank. Trying to get that hose off too, and they're giving me a hard time. So I'm gonna keep working with that and let you guys know how it goes. Alright, y'all, I made a mess, but I got the hose off. It went all over me. Shit stinks, bro. That was like so hard to get off. It's not even right. I'm not even lying. That was so hard to fucking get off. Made a fucking mess. It went everywhere, dude.
Well, at least it's off.
I don't know.
Hey, so what's going on, bud?
Well, we're replacing this radiator.
What's going on there?
It's pretty bad.
In the yard somewhere.
Well,
Wait, start that
these are the best fins, and you know,
A little cruddy, huh?
this is bowing a little bit.
What are we gonna do with it, guy? What are we gonna do with it? I don't give a fuck. On to the next
As y'all
piece.
can see, got the radiator out. Now is what I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna work on taking out the. I already also took out the belts, but I'm gonna take out.
Big boy.
Gonna take out the water pump and the thermostat housing, and yeah, and then after that everything's gonna start going back together.
new water pump and water pump pulley on, along with the thermostat. I'm just waiting for Alex to get back with some brake clean so I can clean the pulleys, and then I'm gonna throw the radiator in